Okay, this file is so big we had to put it into 2 videos. We just finished highlighting x1, y1, x1 because of how important they are. So you will get the add slider message. Now, here, what they have done is they will show you the expression that you had just typed. So I'm going to try and move over to Desmos and see if I can type this. Okie dokie. So my expression, I'm going to type 3 parentheses x1 raised to the 7th power y1 raised to the 3rd power over z squared, right parentheses. Now the z does not need a 1 under it because we do not have a z-axis. X and y need a 1 because of the graphing part of Desmos. All right, now we need a left parentheses, x1 raised to the 2nd power, back down, z raised to the 3rd power over and right. Okay, so we have our expression typed in. I'm going to click all for sliders. Now, you see how it starts out with x1 equals 1. They have given us the replacement value. Let me switch back over to here. Our replacement value for x is 1/2. Our replacement value for y is 3. Our replacement value for z is 4. So I'm going to go back to Desmos. And so x1 equals, now here I need to click, put my cursor there and click. I'm going to backspace and I'm going to say 1 divided by 2. Now all you see is a gray box that has x1 is equal to 0.5. All that did was simplify that fraction for you into a decimal. You don't need that. Now I need to put y1 equals 3. So you put your cursor there, backspace, and put a 3. Now z, my z value, I'll put my cursor next to the 1. I'm going to back it up and put 4. Now if I move up, I have got my replacement values in there, and so my answer is 162. So we have just done that on the Desmos screen. So our value, our answer is 162. So let's now correlate the orange card to what happened over here on the white example problem. So number 1, type the expression into line 1 in Desmos. We're good at that now. Number 2, add all sliders. So number 2. Now we're going to differ here. Move sliders to the values given in the problem. No, that takes too long. It's too hard. So we're going to say use your cursor. Use cursor to put values given in the problem. Okay? If you try moving that blue dot like we did yesterday, it takes forever to get it exactly on 3 or exactly on 4. So step 3 was right here where we added our sliders. So x1 was 1/2, y1 was 3, z was 4. So this is not your answer. Not answer. All they did was tell you that x1, right there, x1 is equal to 0.5. So what's our answer? The answer is in the faded gray box on line 1 with the original expression. So here is line 1. Here is our answer. So the value of our expression for these given replacement values is 162.